So a friend at work has a Jeep, and we were talking about different things that could possibly be 3D printed for it. And he was saying something about the doors, how they have mesh pockets. And it just kind of sucks because stuff can fall out or whatever. So he said there's a company that makes these already, but they're kind of pricey. So I said, you know what, let me see what I can find. Hopped on Thingiverse, came right across this guy. The only thing is it only came with one side. So I mirrored it and I have the other side printing now. But yeah, it printed just like a little rough from the supports still. Figured he wouldn't mind sanding it down a little bit since I'm not going to charge him anything for him. I'm just going to give them to him. But yeah, I think they turned out pretty good. Can't wait to see the other side. Hopefully it turns out just as good.